Hi guys, so I have a StitchFix and this is going to be my first video, and the reason I'm kind of doing this is I've been watching tons of your guys' videos and I seem to get some different items than everybody else, and I love seeing what everybody else is getting, so I thought I would share my box with you today. I think this is my 11th StitchFix now, and I've had two different stylists. Lately I've been getting Victoria and she seems to be doing pretty good. So this time I asked for Cozy Mountain Chic, if that is even a thing. I do not live in the mountains, but I thought it would be fun to maybe get that kind of cozy look. So let's see what she gave me. It's always the mailer. My note, let's just peek and see if I got Victoria here. I did get Victoria. So, here is my bundle. Let's see what we get. Okay. So, Nap Queen. I'm a little short. It's okay. I don't really wear many graphic tees or tees with sayings. I'll try it. Probably won't get that one because it's not really my style. In fact, there's nothing like that on my Pinterest board. But hey, look what I got now. Cardio is Hardio. Does have the cute little knot detail there, and I'm actually wearing a shirt like that right now. Just, I don't know, it's very soft, but I don't do cardio for one, and two, I don't like that graphic tee thing. Okay, so now we've got a flannel shirt with some lacing on the side. Let's see, is it, oh, it's open lacing on the sides here. Only goes about a fourth away down the sleeve. It's kind of red black. I do like the flannel pattern of it, the colors and everything. I'm just not sure about the cold shoulder. I do see where she was going with this for being Cozy Mountain Chic. The other two, I'm really not sure. Not sure what she was thinking there. Okay, I see some stars. It's like a little cardigan star sweater with a hood. That'll look cute. I'm very plain. Obviously I'm wearing plain. I'm not a huge patterny person. I have been wanting to get into getting on patterns. So this could be cute. We'll try it on. We'll see. We'll see. And last but not least, this looks promising. This is a sweater hoodie, and it does have grommets in the sleeves. Little pocket, kind of like a sweatshirt, but this is a sweater. It is sweater material. It is not a sweatshirt, but it gives you the idea of a sweatshirt. And I do love me a sweater. So we'll get trying these on. I will leave all of the names and prices down below in the description box. So if you guys see something you like and you maybe want to request it for your fix, I'll put that down there for you guys. So let's get going. Okay guys, so I put on the sweater cardigan with all the stars on it. It's nice and soft. It's actually really cute, and I'm surprised that I like all of these stars all over the place, but I kind of do. It's kind of fun. I like this length. I am 5'11", so this would probably be longer on some of the girls that are a little bit shorter than that. I'm a little bit tall. In fact, it's kind of sad because StitchFix sends me some great pants, but they never seem to be quite long enough for me. But back to the sweater. It does have the pockets. no button-ups, nothing like that, which I actually love in a cardigan. I'm not really big on all the buttons, and I don't like a lot of the draping. I'm very simple in that kind of aspect. But yeah, it's really, actually really, really cute. And I believe that this was, I believe it's $50. It is. This is $50, which I don't think is horrible. It could be worse. So I'm going to try on that black hooded sweatshirt, but it's a sweater kind of thing. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, I actually just put this on. I actually really, really like it. I love the little details there on the strings. The grommets are cute. And then I noticed something, and this is, I believe, my 11th stitch, or fix, excuse me. Yes, it is, number 11. And I've seen many of you guys out there that have got some clothes that were damaged when you got them. It has never happened to me until today. This is a huge, huge hole here. I mean, I don't even know what could have done that, in all honesty, and I'm not really sure how to even, I don't know. I'm not even sure how that could have happened. I mean, that's humongous, guys. I mean, that's like somebody's animal got a hold of that thing or something. I don't know. I'm not even really sure how to go about that. How do I email them, tell them it was damaged? Do I just send it back? I don't know. And I believe this is $68 when I looked a minute ago. Yeah, $68. I don't know. That kind of makes me sad. I don't even know that I love it that much for $70, really. It's kind of, yeah, I mean, it's cute, but if it's $70 cute, I really love these little dangly things on the string. I think that kind of puts it off. Obviously, I won't be keeping it because of this, though. Kind of a bummer, but I'll kind of give you a little look so you can kind of see what it looks like in case maybe you want it. And again, I'll leave everything down below what everything is. I'll put it in the order I tried it on for so that you guys, it's easy for you guys to find. I guess we'll move on to the next one. If you guys know what I'm supposed to do when I get something damaged, comment below. Let me know if I'm supposed to email them or just send it back, or I would assume I should email them, right? So nobody else gets it sent to them. That's what I would think anyway. So we'll try the next one on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the flannel shirt with the detailing there on the arms. It's not really me. It could be super cute for somebody else. For me, it's just, I think a flannel shirt should just be a flannel shirt. You know, again, I'm Miss Plain Jane over here. Call me Plain Lisa, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure my kids would have something to say about that to me on a constant basis. I've got 4 boys, so, you know, they're fun to be around. It's nice and long, though. I do like the way that it's a little bit higher, a little bit lower in the back. It's a little bit tight in my bust area, you know, going like this. But I get that a lot. I think a lot of it has to do with these on the shoulders. It just feels weird to me, and it's probably not because I'm not used to it. I think this could maybe be cute in like a short sleeve, maybe kind of a thing, this little detail here. Not necessarily a flannel short sleeve, but some type of a flannel shirt. Or not a flannel shirt, kind of a t-shirt for the summer. It's very pretty colors though. It's like a black, gray, and red, which is right up my alley. Again, there's that detailing there. But other than that, it's just a flannel shirt. It's not a heavy flannel, but it's not that silky kind of flannel that they send sometimes. It's actually a nice, soft kind of a flannel shirt. So we'll move on to the cardio is hardio, ladies, and see what that looks like. All right, guys. I actually love the fit of this tee. I love the little knot thing. Wasn't sure that was still going to be popular this season. You know, I've been seeing a lot of it over the past year or two. I really like the way it fits, though. It fits great. Again, I'm just not a put it on my shirt type of girl. If it was something that really caught my eye, you know, like a saying or something like that, maybe. Cardio is hardio. Not really my thing. But other than that, it's soft. It's great. I'm not sure what the price is on this one, if you guys really want to know. Like I said, I'll put them down in the bottom. I've said that for each shirt, but I really, really will. This is $38. $38. It's cute. It's just not for me. That's all I can say about that. I'm not sure why she sent me something like this. You look at my Pinterest board, I don't have any type of graphic tees or saying tees or anywhere on my Pinterest board, and I don't know how this is considered cozy mountain chic. I guess it's cozy. I'm not sure how chic it is, but you know, it is what it is. There's the back of it. There's the side from this side. And I'll be back with the last one, which is the Nap Queen sweatshirt. Give me a sec. All right, here's the last one. And this one is $42, I believe. Yes, $42. It's not really a sweatshirt. It's more of a thick kind of a tee. It fits well. I like how it's a little bit tighter here in the arms and a little bit looser. It is a little bit shorter than I like. I'm not one that likes to constantly, you know, if I do this and then I have to do this. This isn't me. I am kind of a nap queen. My kids will tell you that. I like my naps, but not for me this time. I'm thinking I might keep the star thing. This might be the only thing out of the box that I end up keeping. I don't know. It'd be cute for maybe lounging around, but I'm not looking for clothes to lounge around in, really, you know? I mean, especially for that price, it's not something I'm just gonna wear around, and especially since it's not a 5 for 5, there's no reason to keep this one. But there it is for those of you who might want to request it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and just left all this on, but I thought I'd get a little bit closer to you. This box is okay. I actually, the past boxes I've had, I've got really, really good stuff. This past Tryon box and this last Trunk Club box I got a lot. So maybe this was kind of somebody telling me, stop spending money on some clothes. So that could be what's going on here. I might keep the star sweater. I have the styling pass, so I'm not going to lose $20 if I don't keep anything, so I don't have to keep anything. I do kind of like that. It's a little bit out of my box, and it can be worn. It can be worn. I'll wear that. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed in that sweater. It's so funny because I was just telling my husband the other day, I was like, all these ladies, they keep getting these things with threads out and holes in them, or, you know, little not, I don't know, you know what I'm saying. And it's never happened to me. And then, boop, I go to make this video and there it is. So I just don't know. And let me know what you think I'm supposed to do. I'm assuming I should probably email StitchFix. Let them know right away. Hey, this sweater had a huge hole there on the left sleeve. Not going to keep it. I'm not sure if I would have kept it anyway. I liked it. With it getting kind of into spring, and again, I just don't think that box was very cozy mountain chic. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Did you think that box was cozy mountain chic? Is cozy mountain chic even a thing? I don't know. I was just kind of thinking, you know, we're supposed to be going to visit the mountains here in the next week, and it's kind of like, it'd be kind of cute to get some stuff kind of, you know, that's cozy for the mountains and is chic. I don't know, you know. I don't know. Hope you guys had a good time. I had a great time doing this. I hope maybe you found some things that you liked. And again, I'll put them down below in the box and list the names and the prices of them. And maybe I'll see you again. I'll maybe do my next Tryon box or my Trunk Club box, or definitely when I get my StitchFix box again, I'll be back. See you guys later. Bye-bye.